Can you? The problem is if P equals, this is a coordinate, i.e. the value of x is minus root 3 and the value of y is 6. Find the 6 trigonometric functions. Can you? It's a very simple stuff. So let's quickly check through. Now we come back to our Cartesian plane. This is our origin. Don't forget, we are having the value of x and y to infinity. We have been told that the value of x is minus root 3. Don't forget, yes, P is a point on the Cartesian plane such that the value of x is minus root 3 and the value of y is actually 6. So where do we have value of x to be negative? Around this side. So we can just assume that probably from here to somewhere around here we are having negative root 3. But the value of y is positive, so that should be towards the top side. So somewhere around here, yeah. So we can say that our point P is located somewhere around here, where I have something like this is my 6. So then I call this place 6. Then we bring it to the origin this way. Make this one our theta. So with that now we have just produced the right angle triangle needed to look for the trigonometric functions that we need here. What does the triangle look like? The triangle looks like this. The theta is here. The value of x is negative root 3. My value of y is 6. And let me call this place my C, the hypotenuse. So let's quickly look for the C. Remember, we are going to use Pythagoras rule. Using c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Our c squared equals, let's call our a6, then plus minus root 3 squared. C squared equals c squared. 6 times c, that's 36. Then it's going to still be plus minus root 3 times minus root 3. That's going to give you 3. So c squared equals 39. Then all you need to do is you look for the square root of both sides. Then my c equals root 39. C is root 39. Under this same thing here, let's restructure our triangle. This is my theta. This is actually negative root 3. Here I have 6 and here I have root 39. So I'm left with looking for the trigonometric functions. Let's start with sine theta. Sine theta, which equals opposite over hypotenuse. Based on this is my theta, this is my opposite, and this is my hypotenuse. That's going to give me 6 over root 39. You shouldn't leave your answer this way, you rationalize it. So rationalizing this is going to give me multiplied. So we are going to multiply it by root 39, root 39. That is, we solve by rationalizing the denominator. So this will leave us with 6 times root 39. This is 6 root 39 divided by root 39 times root 39 is actually 39. Remember, root A times root A is A. Here, 3 can divide 6, 3 can also divide 39. So 3 here, 2, 3 here, 13. Finally, our sine theta in this expression is going to be 2 root 39 divided by 13. The next thing to do here is to look for our cos theta. So our cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. In this diagram, the adjacent is actually minus root 3. So the adjacent is minus root 3. Place your minus root 3 at the top side of the numerator over the hypotenuse is root 39. Root 39. Don't forget, we are going to rationalize the denominator, so times root 39 over root 39. Simplifying this, in our 39, we can write this as minus root 3 times square root of 3 times 13. Sorry, 3 times 13. So this 3 times 13 actually gives me 39 divided by root 39 times root 39. I have my 39. So this is going to leave us with negative root 3 times root 3 times root 13. everything over 39. I hope you have not forgotten that root 3 times root 3 is going to give us 3. So this will actually give us negative root 3 times root 3. That is negative 3. Then root 13. Everything over 39. And 3 can actually go in 39. So 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 3, 1 no remainder. 3 in 9, 3. So finally, our answer is going to be negative root 13 divided by 13. So that gives us our cos theta. Our cos theta is negative root 13 over 13. Then the next thing is our tan theta, which is opposite over hypotenuse. Coming back to the triangle, our opposite is 6. So tan theta opposite over adjacent, I mean to say. So our opposite is 6 and our adjacent is minus root 3. So this is giving us 6 over negative root 3. Rationalize the denominator, multiply by negative root 3 over negative root 3. So this is going to give us 6 times negative root 3, that's minus 6 root 3 divided by minus root 3 times minus root 3 is going to give you positive 3. So 3 here 1, 3 here 2. This leaves us with minus 2 root 3. That is our tan theta is negative 2 root 3. Now, the first thing we actually looked for there was sin theta. With that, let's look for cosec theta. Don't forget, cosec theta is actually the inverse of your sin theta. Inverse means we should turn it upside down. Now here, if we end up turning this one upside down, this is going to bring irrational number at the denominator. So the best thing for us is to actually come to this value of sin theta, where we are having 6 over root 39. So with that, we just swipe this. This is going to give us root 39 divided by 6. Then sec theta. So sec theta is actually the inverse of cos theta. So let's visit our cos theta. At our cos theta, we actually have negative root 3 over root 39. So let us swipe this. That's going to give us negative root 39 over root 3. So here, let us rationalize the denominator here. Multiplied by root 3 over root 3. So this is going to give us negative root 3 times 13, then times root 3, everything over root 3 times root 3. This is giving us 3. With this now, we are having negative root 3 times root 13 times root 3, everything over 3. Now, negative root 3 times root 3, that's giving us negative 3 root 13 divided by 3. So 3 here 1, 3 here 1, and we are left with negative root 13. So this means that our sec theta is negative root 13. And the last but not the least is actually cot theta, which is the inverse of tan theta. So let us use this very value here, which says that 6 over negative root 3. So we are having 6. Okay, so we are using this value 6 over negative root 3. Let us just swipe it. So that simply means we need to have minus root 3 over 6. So this gives us cot theta. This brings us to the end of the solution to this problem. So just in case there is a place you are having challenges with, you can actually ask in the comment section. See you in the next video.